Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see if the Poco C75 worth buying. Now the Poco C75 comes with a 6.7-inch IPS LCD screen with a fast 120Hz refresh rate, which is good in its price range. Now if we talk about the processor, then the Poco C75 comes with a MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra processor, which is good in its price range. This processor can handle light gaming, but you can find some lag while gaming. And the Poco C75 comes with a 5160 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging. Although the charging speed is not the best in its price range, but the battery life is pretty good and it will last a day easily. And if we talk about the camera, then the Poco C75 comes with a 50-megapixel rear camera, which produces decent results. And it also has a 13-megapixel front camera, which produces good photos. The camera on the Poco C75 produces good results, considering its price range. Now let's come back to the question, is the Poco C75 worth buying? Now, if you want a budget phone for light usage, like for using social media and for light gaming with a good battery life, then the Poco C75 is worth buying. But note that you might find some lag and stutters while gaming and while using the smartphone. And this is it. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.